Is it ready yet?
Almost, just one more side.
It smells so good.
This one is yours.
Evening, little one.
Hello! Are you a musician?
I am. Good night.
This passage teaches us about patience.
I see. It is a good lesson.
Indeed, let it guide you.
The samosas are ready. Would you like to try one?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Be careful, it's hot.
They smell so good, Mama.
Just one more second, beta.
Wow, thank you.
You're welcome, my love.
These samosas are perfect.
They're the best, Grandpa. Have some more, everyone.
The night air is cool, son. Smell the flowers?
Yes, Baba, and the lanterns are so pretty.
They light our way.